Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily crypto market update, and we will figure out, is it bearish reversal signal, what's going on with the crypto world. Let's move to crypto heat map, and we will figure out what's going on with it. Let's start from, all red, few of them just neutral, but generally all red on daily performance for crypto coins. Okay, let's move to charts. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line, it's as SMA 200, yellow line it's EMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5, buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, yellow line zero line. Fibonacci, red bars bearish, green bars bullish, yellow line RSI line. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you follow indicators do not have emotions, you will be successful. Let me briefly mention how simple trading style works. Look at it. When bars and MA5 and 10 when they do bullish crossover over yellow line, right? When the bars and MA5 and 10 above yellow line and yellow line uptrend, it is bullish trend. When yellow line and bars below yellow line and yellow line downtrend, it is bearish trend. Each time bars below yellow line, it's a bearish trend. Each time bars above yellow line, it is bullish trend. Very, very simple. And when MA20 yellow line about 200, it is bullish positive territory. When yellow line below 200 and 200 downtrend, it is bearish territory, fully bearish territory. Like now, MA20 kind of uptrend, and MA200 white line is an uptrend. It is still positive, and yellow line still above 20, about 200. Yellow line 20 about 200. It is still positive territory. When yellow line will do bearish crossover over 200 and move below, it will be fully bearish trend. Like MACD now below zero line, it is negative territory. Also Fibonacci and RSI and below zero line, it's a negative territory. Let's start daily time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily or 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position. Let's start daily time frame. Last bar is red. It's a bearish day, and then it touched 200. You see, remember, it did touch 200 over here on May 11, and it did bounce from it. We'll see, will it bounce from it now, or it will continue to do bearish trend, because MA20 is downtrend. It's a sell signal from the script, bearish. Let me maximize it. Sell signal from the script, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, bearish trend. We'll see if it will continue or it will bounce from 200. MACD bearish crossover red below zero line, Fibonacci red, RSI below Fibonacci. Bearish trend actually is for BNB. I started from BNB. That's okay. Let's start it from BNB. BNB is a bearish on daily time frame, right? It has some bullish divergence. You see this price action and this is kind of flat, but RSI is uptrend. Also, MACD uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours time frame for Binance. You see price action is downtrend. Last bar below all moving averages. MA20 all moving averages below 200 is bearish trend. MACD uptrend. MACD histogram uptrend. RSI is not uptrend, no bullish divergence on RSI. Still bearish trend, last bar far from 20, is disconnected from 20. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, last bar very far from 20. Sell signal, bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators, RSI in the oversold territory. Definitely it wants to have some bullish bounce. It wants to have some bounce to connect back to 20. On the short term, it can have some bounce. But generally, trend is bearish for Binance. Let's move to Cardano ADA. Let's start daily. Cardano ADA. Daily. Red bar still above 20. It is positive. MACD still green positive. Heikanaichi green and RSI at zero line and MACD next to zero line. Still kind of flat on daily time frame for last several days. It is flat for ADA Cardano. Flat for several days. Now let's move to 4 hours time frame. Still positive and it's still flat. But still positive, still bullish. 4 hours time frame, it is bearish reversal signal already. Sell signal by the script. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Still about 200, it is positive territory. But already bearish reversal signal. MACD red, bearish reversal signal. RSI, bearish reversal crossover over Heikanaichi red. It was bearish divergence. You see bearish divergence on all indicators. That's why it wants to go bearish. 4 hours time frame, bearish reversal, and let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it is bearish, right? Last bar moved below 200, MA5 moved below 200, bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal, sell signal from the script. MACD below zero line red, bearish trend, Heikanaichi red, and RSI very oversold in the oversold territory. It definitely wants to have some bounce, connect back to 20, but still bearish trend for ADA Cardano. Let's move now. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, let's start daily time frame. Ethereum Classic very weak, all moving averages below 200, and last bar below 20. Bearish position, bearish trend, bearish location. MACD green, but in the bearish location below zero line. Heikanaichi green below zero line. Positive, yeah, positive. Some indicators positive, but still location very bearish, very negative. 4 hours time frame. Fully confirmed bearish reversal signal. MA5 did bearish crossover. Sell signal from the script. Bearish territory below last bar, below all moving averages. MACD red, bearish, Heikanaichi red, bearish, RSI did bearish crossover. Fully confirmed bearish crossover, bearish reversal, like I mentioned to you before, that I like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. That's for me, it's full confirmation. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it's a sell signal, bearish crossover, all moving averages did bearish crossover over 200, all below 200. For last 5 hours, it is dancing at the same level. It is very oversold on the RSI. It wants to have some correction, some bounce, and it wants to connect back to 20 because it's very oversold and disconnected from 20. Bearish trend also on 1 hour time frame. Bitcoin Cash daily time frame. Bitcoin Cash daily time frame also very negative, very weak because the all moving average is below 200. It is bearish territory, bearish location. Even MACD green, but it's in a bearish location below zero line. RSI green below zero line. Similar like other cryptos, it's a positive signal, but bearish territory on daily time frame. Still in the bearish territory. On 4 hours time frame, it is already bearish reversal. Sell signal from the script. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 200. 20 below 200 already in the bearish territory. Bearish reversal signal. MACD red, bearish. Heikanaichi red, and RSI did bearish crossover. Bearish reversal signal. 1 hour time frame, it is sell signal, bearish crossover on all indicators. Bearish crossover на MACD, Heikanaichi, RSI very oversold. Heikanaichi very oversold on 1 hour time frame. It definitely wants to have some bounce to connect back to 20 because last bar disconnected from 20. Very oversold condition, bearish trend. And now let's move to Ethereum Classic. Just Ethereum daily time frame. Let's start daily time frame. It is, bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Still about 20 positive territory, but bearish crossover. Green MACD, still green, but it's ready for bearish crossover. Heikanaichi red, RSI ready for bearish crossover. Still positive, but it's ready for bearish reversal signal on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, it is already confirmed bearish reversal signal. Sell signal from the script, MA5 did bearish crossover. Last bar below MA5, 10 and 20, bearish trend. MACD red, bearish crossover, bearish trend. RSI below Heikanaichi red, it's a bearish trend, fully confirmed in the 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, bearish crossover, sell signal from the script. All moving averages below 200, it is bearish. RSI very oversold in the bearish territory. Looks like it wants some correction for last 5 hours. It is just sitting and accumulating more resources to go bearish or bounce and have some correction. Bearish trend on 1 hour. And let's move to Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily time frame. Bitcoin daily time frame, last bar moved below 20. It is bearish territory. Bearish signal. Bearish signal, also sell signal from the script, and MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. It is bearish crossover. MACD bearish crossover. Heikanaichi did bearish crossover, RSI red. Bitcoin on daily time frame already did bearish reversal signal. 4 hours time frame, same story, all moving averages below 200, bearish territory, sell signal from the script, bearish crossover on MACD, on moving averages, on Heikanaichi, on RSI, all indicators in the bearish reversal signal. 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, also all in the bearish territory, all moving averages below 200, bearish territory, and last bar far from 20, but in the bearish trend. MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi very oversold. It wants to have some bounce, some correction. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned, all crypto from my watch list, 6 crypto coins. On daily time frame, they're kind of still flat with some bearish reversal signal, but on a 4 hours time frame, they fully confirmed bearish reversal signal for all crypto. And on 1 hour time frame, they all oversold. They all in an oversold condition on RSI. They can have on short term, they can have some bounce. That's expected because they disconnected from bars, disconnected from MA20 from yellow line, and RSI yellow line in very oversold condition around -40. That's what we're expecting. Short time bounce, but generally it's a bearish reversal signal for all time frames. That's all. That's my review for Monday, June 5th. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account. Please read it, this disclaimer. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, monthly, weekly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, cryptos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.